Hi everybody, welcome to another Smart Decision, and today we want to take a look at slash do a real review after 1 month of use of this great budget phone called the Umidigi A1 Pro. This phone is a great budget phone as a backup phone, as a gift for your kid, as a just a smart device gift. It's a great phone because this one of those phones that you just saying, wow, what a time we're living now. This phone looks like a flagship, feels like a flagship, kind of performing like a flagship. I won't say no, but I won't say bad either. But we're gonna talk about that when we talk about in the review session. This phone still at $100 or so. For $100 or so, it's a smart decision to do. Umidigi A1 Pro. What's the best about this phone? Just right away, that finally this phone, this company, and all of the companies should do it. The phone are coming with all of the bands for those American people that care about it. Include all of the bands right away. So let's talk about a little bit about the specs of this phone because it got some interesting spec. The spec of this phone, the new MediaTek processor, 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor. That's something that I gotta say, since to me Snapdragon still better, but MediaTek is right there. Why this processor is the new MediaTek processor? Because I say it before, it might be better on battery life and maybe on performance. And I gotta say, this phone is this processor has been really good, especially on the battery department. For a 3000 milliamp battery, give or take, the battery life has been pretty good. But let's take a look at the box. The presentation is very good. I like it. With a black box. This presentation, this design is pretty good. You cannot imagine. You show this to a person, even from the box, and you say, you put up a Galaxy box or whatever box, you put this box next to each other. Guess which was $100? Guess was $1,000? They will know. Especially if for a person that doesn't know, a guy might say the Galaxy, but this is the Umidigi A1 Pro. Great box, good looking box. Let's unbox it. Slide right there. Really cool box. Really cool presentation. You see again the Umidigi logo. Let's take a look. The box include some of the specs right away, so you can be on point. What does it have? Umidigi A1 Pro. Like I said, the new CPU MediaTek 6739 quad-core processor at 1.5 gigahertz. Comes with Android 8.1 right out of the factory. The memory is 3 gigs of RAM with just 16 gigs of internal storage, but again, $100. Cheers. But that's a con right there. Still, the SIM, 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM and 1 SD card, so that made you forget about the 16 gig already. The battery, 3150 milliamp battery, give or take 3000. The screen, 5.5 inch high definition plus. That's great. We are living in a time that high definition screens are looking greater than ever, especially on devices. High definition screens are still, there's a lot of people, even people that got a lot of money, that they still had high definition TVs. So for a phone, and especially in this era, that's not bad at all. That screen is gorgeous. The camera, we got a dual rear camera setup, 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel, and the front cam is 5 megapixel. All LTE bands, USA bands network. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 17, 19, 20. So everybody care about band 17 and 12, you on point, because not everybody have a great reception on band 4, but that's good. All of the bands on point, and the package contains the Umidigi A1 Pro, a power adapter, USB cable, the manual, and a phone case included. So for $100, this is the way you do it. Companies pay attention. All right, let's unbox it. See right away what's going on. All right. Come with the case included. All right. Link to the war, Umidigi theme. Great envelope, Umidigi. Got the SIM tray right there, and the manual. All right. And as you see, this is a cool thing now the Umidigi is doing. Look at the cable. I love this cable. This red and black thing now. And Type-C. Type-C. $100 the phone, man. Include Type-C. And fast sharp, because this is a fast sharp brick. Umidigi AC adapter. So this is a fast charge also. Look at that, man. So look at that, fast charge for $100. Salute. And that's pretty much in the box. Soft material on the inside, so that's pretty good. I really like that. The presentation, everything right out from the factory is just a great buy. So let's take a look at the box, at the phone already. It comes with a case, and with a protector included. Got a screen protector included. Woo! Just like the first time. Look, I mean, can you believe this look this amazing? This is so premium looking, feeling. Wow. They claimed it was glass. A lot of people say it's plastic. To be honest, do you care? It feels like glass, but I think it's plastic. Don't get me wrong, I think it's plastic, but it's a premium plastic. I mean, can you make plastic look like this? Oh my goodness, they should have made this phone a flagship. You put in this phone a Snapdragon 845. Wow, Quad HD display. This look amazing. This steel frame feels as great, if not better, than the iPhone S. I gotta be honest. If this is plastic, who cares? It look like glass, and there's a good thing about it. If you drop this, not only you pay $100, you won't complain this break, but plastic don't break as easy as glass will do. So look at the frame. There's the SIM tray right there. There's the power volume, the power button, the volume up and down, Type-C, the speaker grill, the greatest feature of all time, and a microphone. And a microphone right there, the rear setup, the rear cam setup, flash, and the scanner. And this also comes with Face ID. What else can you ask for? Look at the front cam, the earpiece receiver. Let me do it wide. Oh wow, so let's power this on to see this cool Umidigi animation that I love. Let's see how much it takes to power on. So that's pretty much it. I really like this. So I'm gonna wait till the power on. Starting Android. Umidigi. Cool animation, I really like it. Oh, got it right. So yeah, the Umidigi A1 Pro. Link to the war. Notifications popping already. Got a notification popping already. Boom, 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 boom. Cool, cool, cool. I got it with the Pixel launcher right now. So let me put down the. You see, for high, high definitions are coming greater than ever now. As you see, the angle is half brightness, and the angle I just look at. I love this. You can see on landscape mode too. Just a great phone.